Have you ever wondered who the very first realtor was? The answer goes back more than a century, and it tells an interesting story about how the industry began. The National Association of Realtors was created in 1908 in Chicago. At that time, real estate had almost no rules and very little trust from the public. The founders wanted to change that. They believed the industry needed guidelines, ethics, and professionalism. There was not one single person called the first realtor. Instead, it was a collective effort. A group of real estate professionals came together to create a code of conduct that ensured honesty and fairness. This code later became the foundation of modern real estate practices. The term realtor became a badge of credibility. It showed that someone followed a respected standard, cared about client protection, and took the responsibility of the profession seriously. Over time, this title separated true professionals from casual agents. This movement shaped the real estate industry into what it is today. It pushed agents to be knowledgeable, ethical, and committed to protecting the interests of buyers and sellers. These values still guide the profession and continue to influence how realtors work around the country. So the first realtor was not one individual. It was a group of passionate professionals who believed that real estate should represent trust and integrity. Their vision still influences the industry more than 100 years later.